Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. Today we will do a simple exercise of exporting a Solidworks motion study to Keyshot Animation. I have attached all files for practice. Let's start the tutorial. First of all, I'll show you the assembly which I have already made in Solidworks. The assembly consists of 4 parts. This is the fixed jaw, and the second part is the movable jaw or the adjustable jaw. The third part is the worm screw, and the fourth part we can't see from here, so I have to rotate the assembly. And this is the pin, this is the third part, and this is the fourth part, the pin. So this comprises of our assembly, and now we'll see the motion study that we have already done in Solidworks. Go to motion studies tabs, don't update the keys, and let's play the animation. So the animation is working very fine in Solidworks motion study, and the purpose is to export this animation into Keyshot, and it is working fine in Solidworks. So just stop the animation, and now we will export this animation to Keyshot. We can do it from here as well. This is the Keyshot add-in, and we can do from here as well. From the tools, go to Keyshot and send back to Keyshot. Keyshot will take some time to open depending upon your machine. The parts are uploading one by one, and now we are done with the uploading. So we'll do some basic settings in Keyshot. We don't require it, and we require a white background. Nice. And we don't require self shadows, neither we require this, and we require a preview 1280 by 720. So yes, 1280 by 720, and now we are done. And now we will apply some material to this assembly. Just search steel texture, and we'll apply this steel texture to whole assembly. Just drag and drop, and now we are done with the materials as well. The next part is we have to move this assembly from move tool. Just press OK. You can move it in 6 different ways, in X, Y, Z, and you can rotate in those axes as well. We'll rotate our assembly in one of these axes, and we have to adjust for the best animation preview. It will take some time. Just rotate a little further, and the green is y-axis, the red is x-axis, and the blue is z-axis. Just rotate. I think this will be fine. So we are almost done with the moving tool for the best preview, and I think now we are done. So this is the animation tab of Keyshot. I think 12 FPS will be fine for this animation, and these are some of the basic settings. I don't require the final render image, and we don't require these materials, environment, and colors. So just play the animation, and I think it is working fine. So it will take some time to process. And just go to render, go to settings, and I think 128 will be fine for this animation, and just render. And now we are done with the Keyshot animation. So this is the rendered animation of Keyshot, and it is working really nice. So this is the method that how Solidworks animation can be exported in Keyshot. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and share our channel, and thanks for watching.